Hello, it's my pleasure to present to you a video to explain the University of New Haven's Math Zone, Path to Success. The mission of our center is to collaboratively work with students and staff to provide a comfortable and safe learning environment for introductory math courses at the University of New Haven. In this video, we're going to review the Math Zone, what it does, the courses we offer, our accelerated course options, our learning software that we use in the various courses, our tips to be successful, how to get help, how to book appointments for help, and tutoring statistics, as well as finally, where to get more information and how to participate in some fun through our social media channels. What is the Math Zone? We are a hybrid emporium center for teaching and learning. This is behind, you see the physical space at the North Hall on campus, but we also offer tutoring services on Zoom as well as in person to support your in-class learning. The Math Zone is not an online course and doesn't replace any of your courses. However, it offers you help with homework, journals, projects. We get tutoring, test proctoring, and accelerated pacing. These are the 4 courses that we offer, and we're going to go into detail for each one. So the first one is Math 1107, which is college math with review. We cover arithmetic operations, Cartesian coordinates, exponents, as well as all of the topics on the right-hand side that are also part of college math, which include expressions and equations, functions and graphs, linear inequalities, polynomials and rational functions, introduction to exponential and log functions, systems of equations, and basic elements of probability. Our college algebra course goes into greater detail than our college math course, specifically on functions, exponents, radicals, transforming basic functions, working with log functions, and variation. Our pre-calculus course picks up where college algebra leaves off with polynomials and algebraic functions, and then takes you on to a journey of plain analytic trigonometry, including the unit circle, trig function graphing, transformations, and applications. We offer accelerated course options. It's a way to get ahead and save time and money in your math coursework. So there are 2 routes. The first one is for those who are placed into Math 1108 and may need higher level math. And the second one is for those who are placed or up-placed into Math 1110. So these are the 2 options highlighted semester by semester. So if you start in Math 1108, you might take 1108 and 1110 in one semester. And then you would go on to pre-calculus, calculus, and so on, depending on what your major requires. If you are placed into college algebra, you would take college algebra and pre-calculus in the same semester, and then you would move on to calc, calc 2, and so on, again, depending on what your major requires. We'll go over how this works. So first of all, accelerated course options, what they aren't, right? So if you finish 2 courses in one semester, you can only get 1 3-credit course applied to your transcript. And it's not an easy way to skip math courses. It's going to require regular attendance, commitment, work, and help for tutoring and office hours. In terms of work, it is similar to doing 2 math courses in one term, so expect that the work outside of class will be doubled. It is not a way to skip tests or assignments. You have to complete all of the work for both courses and at an accelerated pace. The way that you opt in is you're going to talk to your academic advisors, tell them that what your intentions are. Also talk with your math instructor so that you can take full advantage of their office hours and keeping them informed of your progress. You are still required to attend lecture with them, but you will supplement your learning using Math Zone support. We use Hawks Learning for our college math and college math with review courses. What it allows you to do is review topics with an online textbook, in addition, again, to your in-class experience, complete as many practice questions as you want on your own or with help from a tutor, and then completing certifies to master the material. You can gain points towards a grade based on the work that you do. You can use practice problems. You can use a similar problem options if there's one in particular that you really just need more help with. You can create your own practice web tests, which your instructor doesn't see the results of. So it's a nice low-risk way to get practice. And then there's a tutor button. So if you're not here or you're not on Zoom with us, you can look at the step-by-step or guided practice. There's also videos that are built in. College algebra and pre-calculus use MyOpenMath, which is a free open source software. We do it for homework, and it also has quite a few features that help you in your learning. So also an ebook, also videos. You can complete the questions on your own or also with a tutor. And again, you can take practice tests. You can use the similar problem options. It has videos and it has a calendar to help you. So here's your path to success. Ask for help early and often. Don't wait until you're struggling a lot. Even a tiny bit of struggle is enough to say, how do I do this? There's absolutely no shame in asking for help ever. You have the professor's office hours, you have your learning assistants in class and on Zoom, and then who will participate in your class, and then the tutors who are on ground or on Zoom. You can do walk-in or you can make appointments. And then you might be able to receive accommodations from our Accessibility Resource Center on campus and make your professor aware of those accommodations so that they can help you as well. Have a growth mindset. We learn through mistakes. Our brain grows, right? So just make sure that you understand that it's not something that's a talent that's inherent to math. Work on understanding, not memorizing. The two are a little bit different. So if you can't answer why something works the way it works, ask us and we'll help you. Get ahead, stay organized, be persistent, make sure you manage your time wisely, use an app if you have to, and of course, again, reach out and ask for help as you're working on it. You can book all your appointments through Navigate. So this is the icon, that's what it looks like. You can also get the app. Either way, what you're going to see on once you start making an appointment is you need to select the service that you want. So you'll select tutoring and teaching assistance, Math Zone, North Hall or Math Zone Zoom, select the date that you want, and then you're going to see a course pop up. Make sure that you click the course, the blue font. Select a specific tutor or random tutor that you want to be paired with. That's fine too. If you don't want to book an appointment, just check the open hours and you can walk in at any time. Tutoring works. It's been shown to help improve students' grades. And from last semester, you can see our passing rates for those who attended either no tutoring or only once, were 66% receiving a C or higher. And then for those who were attending at least twice, 70% or more of them were passing with a C or higher. And C is the grade required to move on to further math courses, which is why we're measuring it this way here. You also see a 4% difference in how many did not pass with a C or higher. And let's finish this up. So you can visit our website for more information. You can find us find the link in the comments on this video. You can also watch our other videos, including more information on accelerated pacing, and then several videos on math topics that are particularly tricky. And you can follow us on social for weekly contests and updates. So we're on Instagram at UNew Haven Math Zone, on Twitter at UNH Math Zone, and our videos are right here at UNew Haven Math Zone. Thanks for listening and reach out with any questions that you have. Bye.